Broadcast. I am Ashley Mazuri. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Damien Evans. Now, tonight, the government has lifted the order on mandatory wearing of face masks in public places, among other measures that were introduced to help curb the spread of COVID-19. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the decision to revise the protocols was informed by the current infection rate that has been on a downward trajectory. This is one among many measures relaxed by the government, as Gloria Milimu reports.
What now seems to be a move to return to normalcy, the government is slowly easing the COVID-19 preventive measures. Health boss Mutahi Kagwe says the infection pattern in the country in the last 1 month was critical in arriving at the decision to end mandatory wearing of face masks in public places. Kagwe also revealed that the country's positivity rate has remained below 5% in the recent past, with the positivity rate being less than 1% in the last 1 month.
There has been a lot of debate and discussions on the continued use of face masks as one of the containment measures. The mandatory wearing of face masks in open public spaces is now lifted. Nonetheless, people are encouraged to maintain social distancing and avoid crowding in public spaces to ensure risk of spread is limited.
Public service vehicles will resume carrying passengers at full capacity. However, you will be required to wear a mask while using the public transport system. In-person worship will also resume to full capacity, but congregants are required to show proof of vaccination and continue wearing masks during indoor functions.
All attendees should be encouraged to wear face masks at the meetings venues as noted. Event organizers are required to ensure that this is followed, as they will take up responsibility for events on which unvaccinated persons are present.
The use of thermal guns to screen for body temperature in public places has also been stopped, as most COVID-19 cases have not been presenting with fever. Alternatively, the Ministry of Health advises on the need to promote good hand hygiene by providing hand washing stations and sanitizers. Other protocols that have been eased include full resumption of sporting activities in learning institutions. Spectators will also be allowed back in sporting venues, although they will have to show proof of vaccination. The ministry has also scrapped quarantine and isolation protocols with immediate effect, and travelers who are fully vaccinated will no longer be required to show proof of a PCR test.
Unvaccinated travelers arriving at any point of entry for whatever reason shall be subjected to rapid antigen tests at their own costs of $30. Any person who tests positive on antigen test will be subjected to entry PCR tests at their own further cost of $50 and self-isolate.
The state is now banking on increasing COVID-19 vaccine uptake as a strategy to avert severe disease and attainment of a herd immunity. Gloria Milimu, KTN News.
Now, Kenyans have been reacting to this move by government to relax COVID containment measures, while some are praising the government's decision